children. How are you? My lovely children, how are you? Hope you are fine. And I'm Suranjana Naskar. Today again I will teach you from Language Corner the sounds of letters. Okay, sounds of letters. Yesterday we learned that how many letters are there in English alphabet? There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Now next is what are the sounds of that letters, those letters. Okay, what are the sounds of those letters? Means animal sounds, bird sounds, sounds of animals, just like monkey chatters, then bird sparrow chirps. Okay, in this way horse neigh. In this way letters have also sounds. How do they produce sounds? That we will learn today. Okay, so let's start and enjoy. Is that clear? Now A to Z, 26 letters are there. Now we will learn today sounds of letters. Okay, what are the sounds of these letters? So A sounds A. A sounds A. Suppose A for apple, A for ant, we pronounce A. A sounds A. B sounds B. B sounds B. C sounds K. C sounds K. D sounds D. D sounds D. E sounds A. E sounds A. F sounds F. F sounds F. G sounds G. G sounds G. H sounds H. H sounds H. I sounds E. I sounds E. J sounds J. J sounds J. K sounds K. K sounds K. L sounds L. L sounds L. M sounds M. M sounds M. N sounds N. N sounds N. O sounds O. O sounds O. P sounds P. P sounds P. Then Q sounds Q. Q sounds Q. R sounds R. R sounds R. S sounds S. S sounds S. T sounds T. T sounds T. U sounds A. U sounds A. V sounds V. V sounds V. W sounds W. W sounds W. X sounds X sounds X. Y sounds Y. Y sounds Y. Z sounds Z. Z sounds Z. Okay, I repeat once more. A sounds A. B sounds B. C sounds K. D sounds D. E sounds A. F sounds F. G sounds G. H sounds H. I sounds E. J sounds J. K sounds K. L sounds L. M sounds M. N sounds N. O sounds O. O sounds O. Then P sounds P. Then Q sounds Q. R sounds R. S sounds S. T sounds T. U sounds A. V sounds W. W sounds W. X sounds Y sounds Y. And Z sounds Z. Have you understood, children? Okay, if you learn these are called phonic sounds. If you learn these phonic sounds, then you will never do mistakes in the spellings also. Okay, first learn all these things, all the sounds, then I will make you understand how to write the spellings with phonic sounds. Is that clear? Okay, have you enjoyed the class? Tata, bye bye. Thank you.